on every fucking track. Rap my city hard and put my peoples on the map. Spit bars from the heart just so they could really feel my raps. But nowadays I don't even know if I believe in that, just because I feel like no one got my back, or maybe they don't know what dope is. And I don't know what the hell I was thinking about when I wrote this. All I know is right now how I feel like I'm at my lowest. Time to pick the mic back up, live my life and work hard. I swear I'm doing all I can just so we don't be apart. I swear I owe my all to you. Sorry but I had to say it after all you helped me through. I don't think you realize what you really mean to me. You must not have a clue. Me and you was like a crew. You was like my sidekick, I was the one writing shit. You'll be the one who fucking spit it. So don't you dare quit on me now, bitch, before I freaking lose it. Cause like your back's against the wall. You come to me for ideas or just to freaking talk, but nowadays it's like you're lost, cause I rarely see you at all. Where the fuck you been, dog? It's like you don't believe in me no more. What happened to the person that I freaking used to know? After all the times we chilled, after all the times we smoked, I know it's been a long time. Lost my mom in '09, had to stop the music grind, had to go and get mine. But now I'm back on my feet, so put the word on the street. Yeah, that nigga and me, shit, we're back, American beast. Yeah, that beast is finally unleashed. Damn, what a fucking relief. So stop dreaming now and wake up from your sleep. Damn, back to reality. I think I'm slowly dying inside. Call me insane, cause I'm starting to lose my mind. I hope you understand how much time I had to sacrifice just to keep you and me in this freaking music alive. Cause